Mega love shout out. Good morning, Cancun, Mexico. We're still here in our second day. Ayan, ang mga kasama ko ay tulog pa. Napagod po sa aming first day dito sa Rayo Palacio. Ayan, today is our second day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning here. Ang gagawin namin today is going to island. Ayan, doon kami mag-enjoy sa beach. Doon sa ibang island. Ayan, hinihintay ko pa po ang mga kasama ko. Medyo matanda na kasi sila kaya napapagod charot. Actually mga kasama after breakfast we are going to that island. Thank you and I'll see you later. Ayan, mega love shout out. Ready na kami. Going to breakfast and we are going to the island. Ayan, tignan mo naman yung room namin. Di ba ang gulo? Tignan nyo din mamaya pagbalik namin. Hindi na magulo yan. Ayan, dapat merong pera dyan sa bed. Pasasalamat naman para gagawa na naman kami ng magandang arrangement. Okay, ayan. Let's go eat breakfast. Ayan, mga kasam. Ha? That's what I told you. Ayan, wala pa. Hindi pa sila. It's not that far anyway. It's here. There.
Oh.
Nauna na kami. Ang bagal nila. Mga bata pa sila sa amin. Pero ang bagal, ang lakas uminom. Lakas uminom lahat. Ini-enjoy nila ang all-inclusive. Ayan, ito yung magandang kahapon kasi medyo umulan. Kaya ang pangit ng Pero ngayon, look, it's very blue. Okay, let's go to the breakfast. Ayan yung first round ko, breakfast. Kunwari ba na hindi ko dako kaon sa breakfast talaga, maliit lang yung kain ko eh. Kaya, ayan, may banana. And then, as long na may itlog, ayan, mabubuhay na ako pag merong itlog. Ayan, chicken and bacon. Okay, let's see. My second round, of course, my sausage, egg again, and ang papaya, pampaganda, at ang aking pineapple. Bacon pa rin, favorite ng ating bayan. At ito ay chicken. Yan, pupunta kami sa island. Lalabas kami sa aming resort. Abay, Ginoo. Patuyawan sa daan. We're going to the ferry. Yan, labas na ito sa aming resort. Yan ang mga bus. Yung bus punta sa big city. But you know, it's kind of scary. Because that's not a
resort. I got a discount.
Ayan, mag-wait pa kami ng aming ferry. Haskang inita mga kaasam. Madaot ang atong mga beauty ani Ginoo ko.
Protect. Just protect it. Oh, you want sombrero?
Oh, that one. Huh? You two would do that one?
Yeah.
Parasailing?
Yeah. You know what? You look down, you think you're so high, but if you look on the horizon, you say, oh, you're not.
Yan ang aming ferry.
Maybe later.
Oh, I don't want. You want to go upstairs, huh?
Huh? The one upstairs?
No.
Do upstairs later.
The speed driving the genie, the genie thingy? Oh, yeah. Those things, right? Yeah. You drive that all day, and you walk on the ground, it's the same.
Same.
maybe that's our
But I
lunch.
would recommend
From
lobster
the
and
island.
chicken. It's really nice, a really nice combination.
Yeah, that sounds yummy.
Seguimos con el popurrí del señor Luis Miguel. Vámonos, 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 vamos, seguimos, seguimos, va para arriba. ¡Suélale! It's to put me down. To recuerdo mi locura, mi delirio. Let's go. Love is always so deep. Love is always so deep.